So, in this video, we're going to talk about rests and how long they are. So, you already know that a whole note is 4 beats, half note 2 beats, quarter note 1 beat, and an eighth note half a beat. And for kicks and giggles, a 16th note is a quarter of a beat. We also have a rest, which is silence. And each rest actually shares the duration of a certain type of note, as you can see right here. So we have the whole note and the whole rest. We have the half note and the half rest. The quarter note, and the quarter rest. The eighth note and the eighth rest. And the 16th note and the 16th rest. So, the quarter note and the quarter rest both take the same amount of duration. They're both worth 1 beat. So the note equals sound, while the rest equals silence. Remember that. Notes equal sound, rest equals silence. So we have 4 quarter notes. When we play them, they all make a sound. So it'd be like 1, 2, ready, go. So bum, 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 bum. Let's take a listen for a second. All right, so let's jump to the next example. We replaced the second note with a quarter rest. So now that beat is silent. Take a listen. So let's try that one more time. 1, rest, 4. The rest is on beat 2. So we have beat 1, we have beat 2, we have beat 3, and we have beat 4. Let's try playing that again. There you go. So we have other types of rests. We talked about it already. The whole note's down here, and the whole rest. The whole rest looks like a hole in the ground. You know, the guy's walking down the street and he falls in a hole. That's the way I was taught. All right. Then we have, there's the whole rest. See, there's the hole. Walk in, boom, falls in. Then we have the half rest. It kind of looks like a hat. You could actually draw yourself a little face. Don't joke my drawing. And there's your hat. See? All right, let's get that terrible drawing off. Okay, so there's your half rest. 2 beats each. Whole rest. 4 beats each. So we have a couple of other types of rests. We have an eighth rest. It's the same duration as an eighth note. So half a beat, half a beat. This kind of looks like, if you look at a slot machine and how it has the 7, for some reason, this is just what I think of an eighth rest, is the little slot machine 7. Then you have a 16th rest, which for our class we'll probably not get into a lot, but nonetheless, it has a second little flag off of it, and that's going to be worth a quarter of a beat. Yes, there's other versions of it, but you don't need to worry about that for this class. So we've talked about the note tree before. This is the rest tree. You have a whole note or a whole rest worth 4 beats. It breaks into 2 half rests, which are 2 beats. Each half rest breaks into 2 quarter rest, which are worth a beat each. Each quarter rest breaks into 2/8 rests, which are halves, and then each eighth rest breaks into 2/16. So everything doubles or cuts in half. It just depends on the direction. If we're going smallest to largest, it doubles. A quarter doubled, it's an eighth. A quarter doubled, it's 1/2. 1/2 doubled, it's two. It's one. One doubled, it's two. Two doubled, it's four. Or if you go in and divide everything in half, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then so on and so forth. Hopefully, this helps make rests a little easier for you.